What if I told you scientists may have accidentally opened a portal to another dimension? This isn't science fiction. It's based on real experiments, strange anomalies, and unexplained events. In labs around the world, researchers have been playing with forces we barely understand. One such place is the Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee, and what happened there raised serious eyebrows. In 2019, physicists at Oak Ridge began an experiment to detect something they called a mirror universe. They weren't hunting ghosts. They were searching for hidden dimensions that could explain dark matter. Dark matter makes up 85% of the universe's mass, but it's invisible and doesn't interact with light. So, scientists fired subatomic particles through magnetic fields, hoping they'd vanish and reappear on the other side. And to their shock, some did. Neutrons disappeared, then returned at unexpected times, as if they had traveled through something unknown. The lead physicist, Leah Broussard, described the possibility of a mirror world, a parallel reality just a few millimeters away. One we can't see or touch, but that interacts subtly with our own. Now imagine this. Our universe might be just one layer in a cosmic stack of realities. And experiments like this could be punching microscopic holes between them. But it doesn't stop there. Over in Switzerland, the Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, has its own mysteries. At CERN, researchers smash protons together at near light speed, recreating conditions just after the Big Bang. They discovered the Higgs boson in 2012, but since then, even stranger phenomena have emerged. In 2016, images from CERN's campus showed a bizarre ritual-like event caught on surveillance cameras. Though explained as a prank, conspiracy theories exploded. Some claimed it was related to dimensional experiments. The LHC has been known to produce fleeting, high-energy events that vanish instantly. Some physicists theorize these might be micro-black holes or doorways to alternate dimensions. But here's the real kicker. Mathematical models from string theory suggest at least 10 dimensions exist beyond the ones we perceive. And some believe that by colliding particles at high energies, we might unintentionally open a crack in space-time. A temporary portal, too small for a person, but enough for quantum particles to slip through. There's even evidence from the 1990s involving something called the Philadelphia Experiment, a military experiment where a naval ship allegedly vanished and reappeared miles away with horrific side effects. Though widely considered a hoax, the idea stuck. Can electromagnetic manipulation bend time and space enough to open a wormhole or portal? More recently, in Antarctica, NASA detected high-energy particles coming up from Earth. Not down from space, but up, as if they were traveling backwards in time or from another universe. This baffled scientists. Some said it was a detector error, but others whispered, what if a portal had opened in the ice? In quantum physics, particles can tunnel through barriers, appearing instantly on the other side. This phenomenon defies classical logic and resembles teleportation. Now scale that up. Could entire chunks of matter or energy vanish through quantum portals? And what if one opened wide enough to affect time? Even Einstein predicted something similar. He called it the Einstein-Rosen bridge, or wormhole, a theoretical tunnel connecting two distant points in space-time. Some physicists believe we've already created mini wormholes in labs, but they collapse too fast to observe. Others say these portals might exist naturally in deep space, hidden within black holes. But what if they're closer than we think? In 2022, researchers at Fermilab announced possible anomalies that may hint at non-local interactions. These could be quantum echoes of a higher dimensional portal or an entirely new kind of particle. Either way, it challenges everything we thought we knew about reality. And then there's the strange behavior of time during these experiments. Atomic clocks positioned near high-energy fields began drifting slightly, as if time itself was warping. Some researchers reported unexplained interference, digital glitches, or sensors behaving irrationally, as if something from outside was influencing our reality in subtle, invisible ways. So what happens if scientists do open a real, stable portal? Would we peek into another version of Earth? Or something far stranger? Would it be a window or a doorway? And once opened, could it be closed? The truth is, we're tampering with cosmic forces we don't fully understand. And history has shown, when we open doors, sometimes something comes through. Are these portals the key to time travel, multiverse hopping, or alien contact? Or are they the beginning of something we can't yet comprehend or control? In a world driven by curiosity and ambition, boundaries are constantly pushed. But the deeper we dig, the more we realize the universe might be far stranger and scarier than we ever imagined. Stay curious, stay cautious. And next time you hear a strange hum, remember, someone somewhere might be opening a portal